Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of the silver leaf and this is a full bottle. Try not to even breathe on it. Oh man, it just did. Oh, that's way too much. That stuff is a nightmare. Sorry, y'all. That stuff is a nightmare. No kidding. Okay. You just stir it up, stir it up, stir it up. It will break itself up. The thickness of that resin and your stick will break that right up. Alright. Now, okay. I'm going to put silver in the tips of both of those. This one has a lot of silver. This one has very little silver. And that was the planned design. Okay. Now, okay. This is the YRYMHT resin pigment in amethyst. I'm going to drip it around. Not on the mold. They didn't want to do that, but okay, now I've added a little purple. I'm gonna let that set and kind of do its thing. Where did I just put that? There it is. Just stuck it back in there and then I couldn't see it. Okay. I want it to make its way down in there a little bit. So I'm going to give that a few minutes to work its magic. This one I'm going to take this as the Resin Pro, the Nick Pro, oh my goodness, resin dye in purple. That's purple, that's not. but it appears to be one of the opaque. So I only put a tiny bit. We're going to check it out. Oh, yes, it's very opaque. So I only put a tiny bit in there, thank goodness. Opaque colors, I don't know why, in resin just are not my thing. If you're gonna do resin, the whole point of it is it's clear. Sorry, I come from a polymer clay world, so take my opinion with a grain of salt. Okay, this is, I'll let you see it first. It is a chameleon glitter, or a color change glitter. And I believe that says Gryffindor. Because that would make sense. It's Gryffindor. It's darn sure Harry Potter's scarf color. So, oh my goodness. That's why I try to do this beforehand. I mean, scoop the glitter. Because gloves and glitter don't go together. Right. I should have just done 2, but I did 3. We'll see if I regret that. Doesn't look like it. Alright. Get off the sides of the cup. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Okie dokie. Where do I keep touching resin? Getting it all over me. Oh, that is so pretty. Like I measured it. But I totally didn't, because... Okay. Let's experiment, shall we? I'm gonna do this one first. Okay. I have finally figured out the secret. And yes, this does have spray release, bold release. Oh, okay. I just was trying to do a big reveal. Okay. First of all, I absolutely love how all that glitter sank to the bottom. which of course you would expect it to do. Did not let the resin cure up any. Okay, if you'll remember though, I did put the clear with the silver, with the metallic flake in it, the silver flake, first, and then I poured the fuchsia on top of that. So, as we can see, it gradiates up nicely from the fuchsia to the clear, everywhere except right here. The clear sank a little bit. Still, it's really pretty. There we go. Oh, I love it. Very different from the other fuchsia one that I did. If you'll remember, that one had the cellophane flakes in it. This is really pretty. I love this. Okay, there's that one. Really pretty. Okay. I don't want to demold this one because I'm just afraid of the outcome. It looks like it worked. Wow. Alright. Wow. Wow. I am loving this one. Wow. Just a tiny bit of that Gryffindor glitter reflects really pretty, and that silver leaf, oh, this one is nice. That is pretty. Wow. I'm speechless. That one is really stunning. Nope, I turned it on, huh? There we go. I'm actually pretty impressed this time. For the disappointment of last time, when we had the fail, or what I called the fail. They weren't really a fail, but I still have no idea what happened to that resin. Why it was white, and then once it cured, it was beige. Exact same resin I used here. Exact same bottle. I can't even imagine. Still at a loss. But now that I look back on them from over here, the They're not bad. They're actually not bad.